Right, so today I'm going to be doing my first ever FIFA pack opening on my new YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's 4,600 points. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully I'll get a walkout or an inform. New informs came out today, so let's hope for the best. It's not a great start to the pack opening. Aspas. 83 rated. No, not the best. Fitness. So much transfer list. Keep it. As this is a new channel, let me know what you guys would like to see, and hopefully more rares instead of that. Really nice to see a support and appreciation for this new channel I've started. It's not even in Tissy. It's not great. It goes for a little bit. I guess that's alright. Sorry guys, it is quite late, so I'm being a bit quiet. Oh, nice. Embolo. Interesting. It's got one to watch, but he's injured this season. It's not. Quick sell pack really, isn't it? 4,000 points left. There's multiple chances to get a walkout in this one, surely. We don't want to be seeing that. Oh, but we do have a gold pack, which we do not mind at all. We'll see how much this guy goes for. We might get a little bit for him. I am playing on PlayStation as well, guys, so sorry you won't be seeing any legends. I know that may disappoint some of you, but hopefully they'll introduce legends soon. That is such a bad pack. How did I get no rares and 2 silver players in that pack? That is ridiculous. Oh, and then we get 2 rares in that one. I recently bought him for my second team. I'll show you my team at the end of the pack opening, guys. Let me know what you think, and I reckon if we can hit 10 likes, as it's a new channel, then I'll do some gameplay, yeah? And we can see what goes from there. I'd love to show my face as well, but can't afford the camera right now, so I'll stick to you just hearing my voice for now. So hasn't been the best pack opening so far, lads and girls, if you're watching. But we've got... It's not even good. It's not even the good. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Just not even going to butcher the name there. This is not good. This is not a good pack opening so far. We've still got 2,800. We can make stuff happen with that, but I don't think a lot's going to happen. 2 Premier League silvers, neither of which I think go for anything. Oh, no. So yeah, another quick sell pack. Come on, we've got to get a walkout in this, surely. Surely we can get a walkout in one of these packs. What is going on, guys? This video is totally unedited. It's just going to be me just going through it. Every pack will be showed. There's no like fixing or anything. I ain't editing in other people's videos. It's all my own videos, as you will most clearly see by the awful quality. And yeah, hopefully we can give you something good to view. Moya, of course, playing for Atletico, who narrowly, would you say narrowly? They beat Leicester, but it was unlucky for them. Oh, that is another non-rare. This is not going good, guys. Sorry I'm bringing you disappointment there with these packs. Very disappointed so far. It's another non-rare. It's like they are talking to Leicester. We got the home kit. It's not what we want to be seeing in our first 3,000 points nearly. Didn't need to skip that. Maya. Again, not going to sell for a lot. We have the Leicester third kit. Can we get the away kit? Down to the last 1,600 points. Oh, that is a nice flare. That is going to be Subasic. Monaco played really well for Monaco. Let's hope his price is as well as he played. Oh, it's not. Disappointing, really. Oh, another nice flare. That is Barzagli. That is a very nice pack. Yeah, we're starting to get some packs going here. We've got 10k there. Yeah, it's a good little pack that was. I'm happy with that. Let me know what you guys thought of that. Can we get third? Oh no, we got the non-rares coming back. Got the Barcelona badge. We'll keep that for now. Barini again. It's not a player that we want to see. What we're saying with this one. But sorry guys, it's been an awful pack opening for you lot. Kaka? No. Neem. 75 rated centre attacking mid. Neem. His pace is insane though. 88 pace. for a 75 rated player. Pretty good. Oh, I didn't mean to keep that. Oh. Alright, we're down to the last few packs. Can we get anything decent? I don't think we will, but we've got Schneiderlin. Evertonian boy. Well, he's not, he's French, but he plays for Everton. Let's see what we can get in these last few packs. We've got 4 packs left. Might be able to get a few more packs in there. So there's 2 more. We have got a boy that's got the blue card. Brighton obviously newly promoted us. 4-star skills. 3-star week for that is not a bad card. Obviously not an ideal league, but it's not a bad card. I wouldn't mind him in the Premier League next season. And we've got Henderson, Lallana, 83 rated Lallana. That is very nice for us, someone that we already have, but we can put him on the transfer list. Right, so we're coming down to the last pack, and it's not a walkout, it's not an inform, it is Diaby. Not a great pack again, none of them have really been that good. We'll go to the free pack that we got. And we'll finish with Lorente. Nothing big really there. It's unfortunate, but so this is my team, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Got Guerrero, Hazard, Mane, decent front 3. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to play some gameplay and do some gameplay, I can do that. 10 likes and I'll do the Foot Champs qualifiers for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.